Hello again. I'm gonna do a second part too. I got lemon lime. Whoa. Tastes like spinach. Uh, uh. Ew, man.
What? What is it?
Did you know that you're gonna be skilled? If you go and run up in the hills, run for the hills, then you are a coward still. A coward of still. You work out and you're still
Running away. Run away. You get punched in the face. Run away. Because you get punched in the face. Yeah. And you were such a disgrace. Yeah. In this place. Yeah.
oh.
Nature call.
All right. Well, I ran out of lemon lime. Let's see what else we can find. As I rhyme with lemon lime. Okay. What we got here? We got peanut butter. Peanut butter, natural peanut butter. Want some crunchy Adams peanut butter? Do you want some Adams crunchy peanut butter 100% nut sandwich? No, you don't. You want some ranch? Drink some Thousand Island. Make 1,000 islands. Say you're the best man. Forget Toucan Sam. I know I'm random. Oh, okay. Maybe I don't have time to get anything to drink. Oh, man. Where is it?
Where is it?
Where is it, really? Dude, I had a third drink. I had a third drink. Where'd it go? Okay. Let's see here. Item not found. Oh, yeah! Energy tank. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Nature calls again. Oh, I almost dropped my computer, man. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That one is going to be good. Yeah.
Isn't it? Isn't it gonna be good? Yeah.
Isn't it gonna be good? Isn't it gonna be good? Isn't it gonna be good? Man, get out of the hood. Go to another place that you under. That was embarrassing, dude. I just drooled like majorly. Oh, that was really embarrassing.
You're a dudical dude, man. You're a dudical dude.
Well, you're a douche. Sorry.
Douche! Douchebag! Douche! Douche! Hi, neighbor!
Whoa. 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 I got a debut to go to.
Yeah! What? What do you mean? I don't know. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do I mean? I don't know. I'm gonna puke, but I won't. But I know.
What am I saying? That was a record. How many burps can I get in 1 minute? I don't even know. This does not have any caffeine in it. It's natural energy. You remember that technique I told you? To get natural energy? Breathe in. And keep your back straight. Bring in that spinal fluid. Yeah. You know?
Yeah. 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 What? What was that?
Oh, man. Do you know that nature calls? And your mom is going to be like, why are you watching this video? This man is crazy. Oh, well. Yeah, what's new? Been crazy since I was a kid, man. Y'all should know that. Oh, nature's calling. I will not call back.
Yeah. Well, there's something. There's something meaningful. Yeah.
I did not get my words out that time. Freedom of speech. Man, I got a lot of saliva, though. I'll tell you that. Anyway, just so you know, I'm going to blow up as a balloon. This concludes, because before I pop like a balloon, this concludes our session. Hopefully you can love yourself and be swell. You are awesome. Keep being you. You are awesome. Do not worry about tomorrow. Love yourself now, and you will be in the present. Being half a present is life. The present is life. Yes. Okay, gotta go. Talk to you later. All right, love you. Subscribe and go to the forums. Register and talk more there. There's lots of subjects to talk about. All right, love ya. Woo, yeah. Okay, Love you. Bye.